Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Tecno Camon 30s versus Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. You will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about display. Tecno provided 6.78-inch FHD plus 1080x 2460-120 as a display, and Tecno Spark provided 6.8-inch HD plus 720x 164090 as the display. So Tecno Camon is better. Now let's look at the processor. Tecno Camon provided MediaTek Helio G85 12nm processor, and Tecno Spark provided MediaTek Helio G80 12nm processor. So Tecno Camon is better. Now let's look at the rear camera. Tecno Camon provided 50MP main plus 2MP depth OIS rear camera, and Tecno Spark provided 48MP main plus 2MP depth rear camera. So Tecno Camon is better. Now let's look at the front camera. 32MP provided by Tecno Camon and 8MP provided by Tecno Spark. So Tecno Camon is better. Now let's look at the battery. Tecno Camon provided 5000 mAh 33-watt fast charging battery, and Tecno Spark provided 5000 mAh 18-watt fast charging battery. So Tecno Camon is better. Now let's look at the operating system. Tecno Camon provided Android 13 HIUS 13, and Tecno Spark provided Android 13 HIUS 13. So both are equal. Now let's look at the build. Tecno Camon provided 7.8 mm thick 208 gram build quality, and Tecno Spark provided 8.3 mm thick 210 gram. So Tecno Camon is better. Now let's look at the price. Tecno Camon provided mid-range prices for their mobiles, and Tecno Spark provided budget-friendly price. So Tecno Spark is better for budget-friendly users. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.